Just make sure that the eyelashes are fine, everything looks okay. Hey guys, I know it's been a while since we've dropped a video. Hopefully before you see this one there are maybe 1 or 2 vlogs. I think there might be a Portugal one and a different one. And as I start filming, my phone is ringing. Hello? Hi. I'm good, thank you. Guys, take 2. Sorry about that. Just as I start filming, my phone rings. Here I am thinking that they're about to cut down my phone bill, but no, they're trying to give me a phone that I already have. But anyway, yeah, it's been a while since I've done a sit down video. A lot has changed, I feel like. This year, actually, yeah, I think I told you guys, this year I kind of made a decision to texturize my hair just so that I can keep it out, because, you know, I felt like the edges weren't always edging, and I feel like they're growing back now that I've been leaving it out. So I've just gelled it down. It's growing, it's thriving, you know, this is how it looks. It's all good and we're happy. But in today's video, I thought I would do like a little collective luxury haul. I haven't been shopping as much because of 2 things. So I am, you know, got some new savings goals, so I just want to bear that in mind. And also the main reason is I have started doing Pilates at least once or twice a week and going to the gym in between that, because your girl needs to get snatched and I don't need to be buying too many clothes that is going to need a lot of altering or changing. So to start things off, I'm wearing it already. This top is from Owens. I almost said Dion Lee because I felt like I had a thing with Dion Lee for a while. I was buying quite a few bits from there. But yeah, so this top is from Owens. I actually got it maybe a couple of months ago in the Net-a-Porter sale. It's actually made from, I'm not even sure what this fabric is, but it's, if I find out, I might put it on screen, but it's actually really nice. It's actually really nice. It's really flattering. It's breathable. It's got these iron bars in between. So if I stand up so you guys can see, sorry, I'm showing you guys my boobs, but it literally has these iron bars which come down into what I call like a little test tube shape. But it's really nice, and you'll notice that they've got quite a few dresses on sale at the moment which are actually look like this from their latest collection, which I really like. So this is this top. I would show you what this looks like on, but the trousers that I'm wearing on the bottom aren't doing what I needed to do, so I'll probably show it in a different styling video, but there you go. So this ring is from DAPHINE, I think that's how you say it, or Daphne. I'll put the brand on screen. It's called the Christie ring, I believe. And I had been eyeing this up. I actually used to have a ring similar, which I unfortunately lost. But it wasn't an expensive ring. This is actually gold plated, and obviously it's got your diamantes or cubic zirconia, I don't know what it is, but it's not real diamonds, but they do sparkle really nice. And yeah, so this is from a brand called Daphne, but that I've been following for a while. I've been wanting pieces from here quite a bit, and when I saw this I was like, I have to get it. And I'm also going to show you guys my nails, because I've been obsessed the past couple of weeks with this really dark, it's not quite black, it's not quite brown, it's not quite purple, it's kind of in between all of those colours. I don't know why, I'm just really obsessed with this right now. I think I'm moving out of my red phase into this phase. I am going on holiday soon, so I think the purple will be back. But yeah, on to the next item. Keeping on the theme of jewellery, I got a necklace from Oscar de la Renta, which comes in a little pouch that looks like this. I'll be honest guys, this necklace, when I saw it, reminded me of, who remembers that necklace from Celine? That lettered necklace that everybody wanted, everyone went high and low because they needed that necklace, that one. That's what this reminded me of. And anyone who knows me well and knows me from this period, I was really upset when I couldn't get my hands on the letter T from Celine at the time. And obviously that was when Philo left the building, so they redesigned it and they stopped producing it, and I was really devastated. But this one from Oscar de la Renta had been one I've been eyeing up for a while. Very similar in terms of the kind of look. There's a word I'm looking for, but I can't find it right now. But it looks almost tree barky kind of thing, and it's got little diamonds. Don't know if you can see it within the T, and it hangs on the corner of the T as well, which I really like. And it's got a nice long chain and can be worn casually as well as dressed up. So I'm not gonna do this up properly, but this is so you get an idea of what it looks like on with this top. I actually quite like it with this top, actually. Quite nice. But yeah, it can be dressed up and it can be dressed down as well. That's what I really like about it. I didn't want a piece of jewelry that was just for going out only, or like just casual only, but I think this gives you a nice balance. So yeah, that is this necklace. Next up is actually a pair of shoes. I actually got them for my birthday, but I've been eyeing these up for a while. They're just really nice kind of strappy heels. I'll show you them. These are the padlock sandals by Tom Ford. I'm trying to hold them strategically because I have obviously worn these outside and I don't want to put my hand on the bottom, but this is basically what they look like. I'm showing you these now. Obviously it's not doing these any justice, so I will film a cutaway so you can see what these look like on. But yeah, they're just a really nice strappy heel, pointy at the front, and it's metallic gold. I think I told you guys already that I think I've got issues because I always somehow end up with some sort of metallic something and I think I need to stop because it's they're not always long lasting, but they still look really, really nice. And what I like about this is the little padlock that they have on the side of these. The only downside about these heels is they come up very small, so you have to be very careful when you're buying these. So I'm usually a 39 in shoes, in high heels, and a 38 in trainers. I think my real shoe size is probably like a 38.5 or a 5.5. I think because my feet are slightly wide, hence why I go up to a 39. But these come up really small, so I actually had to get these in a size 40. Now, because I've gone up a size, my ankles, I don't know if my ankles are skinny or if it's just the shoe, there is a lot of strap here, which means that when I do wear these, on the side it does droop. So I think I am going to pop into Harrods over the weekend, just because I've had a few times where like the strap is literally dropping off just because it is quite big around my ankle. And then with the padlock, as you can see, it does kind of weigh the shoe down, or not weigh the shoe, but it weighs the strap down. So yeah, I think I'm going to go to Harrods on the weekend just to get some extra holes punched, and then that should be perfect. And I think everyone needs a pair of like gold strappy heels in your wardrobe. Like, it's a staple. You need a white pair, you need a black pair, you need a gold pair, and yeah, and I think you're done. And you can literally get away with just packing those kind of shoes, and you've got something that matches every outfit in your wardrobe. And last and not least, we have a bag. Now, a little backstory of this bag before I show it to you guys. So I really, really wanted the Prada, I think it's called the Clio bag, the one that is diamond encrusted or covered in crystals, right? The black one with the white crystals. And I just thought, I don't know if I can part with paying that kind of money for a bag that might be maybe more of a trend piece, or something that I might get bored of quite quickly. I don't think I will, because I like gold, I like sparkle, I like anything that's a bit extra or looks a bit much. I like all those things. So I was umming and ahhing about it for ages. And then there was another box bag, which I don't know why the name has slipped my head, but I will put the name somewhere on screen, that also came out from Prada that was covered in crystals. Then obviously you had the re-edition version as well, which came out first. And I almost bought that bag, and then all my friends were like, no, don't buy it. Anyway, moral of the story, don't listen to your friends, buy what you want to buy. But then I saw this bag and I was like, I've been wanting to buy a bag from here for a while, because it's a brand that's kind of fallen on my radar probably more so this year. And I found the bags like really interesting and really different. I love how structured they are. And then they brought out a version recently which basically fulfills everything I needed from this type of a bag that I was looking for, and it's from Coperni. So it comes in this dust bag, and the bag looks like this. I don't even know if this is gonna do like it full justice in terms of how like lush this bag is, but yeah, ever since I've had this bag, I've not stopped wearing it. I've literally had it for maybe a month and a bit, but I've literally every night out I need to find a way to incorporate this bag. And for something that is structured, not so big, it actually fits quite a lot. So as you can see, it's from the side here. I can literally fit my card holder. I've got like a little ring light, not really a ring light, but I've got a mini light that I can attach on phones and different things to basically take nice pictures or content with on my phone. It fits all of that. It fits my powder, my brush, all my makeup, hand sanitizer, hand cream. It fits everything, literally everything that I need. What I like about this as well is that the zips also go all the way around. So it's not just on the bottom bit, but you can literally take the zips up that far. So I've left the, so while I'm not using it, I've left it in the paper that it comes with. And it literally, to open it up, it's quite simple. You just open that up and then you can open the bits in like this, so you can put your things in and out. And then this folds back quite neatly, like nothing happened. And you can zip it back down again. And in the light, like I just love the way the crystals on this bag just catch all the light. This was like, I don't even think that this camera is even doing this bag justice, but I like the fact that you can dress it up, you can use it casually, and it just gives a bit of an edge. So I wouldn't say it's like an elegant bag, but there's something that gives it a bit of an edge to it, if that makes sense. I think that's it for today, guys. I feel like I'm missing something or a few things, but I'll have a look around and see what else I can show you guys. And obviously if I do make any more luxury purchases, I'll show you guys as well. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe and tune into my next one. Bye guys.